So this is DeWalt's 18V line trimmer. And for my first feel of this tool, it's a well-weighted, easy to hold tool. In terms of setting this tool up, there's a separate video in the description if you want to see that. We did see though, when I did set it up, it is foldable. In the middle here, you can push a little pin in, and the tool conveniently folds in half. So it's perfect for storage if you want to keep it out of the way. And it's not a hassle either, as when I extend it out, all I gotta do is no tools at all, push that little pin in, wiggle it, and it clicks into place, and it's ready to go. Looking at the tool, we do have two settings. There's a high and a low setting. We'll run outside soon and we'll experiment with the settings and see how powerful and how well they cut. On the high setting, it's gonna run at 6,000 RPM, and on the low setting, it runs at 4,500 RPM. You could wind a new line in this super quick now. It's got a quick line spool in here. I'll save that one again for another video, but basically it's not fiddly. It's so easy just to get a new line, pop this off, you just squeeze either side, you pop this up, you pull out your old line, and you stick your new line in there, and it's good to go. So it's super user friendly. This does run a 2mm line, and it's got a cutting swath of 360mm. In terms of noise, it runs at 93 decibels. So that's a bit of noise. You want hearing protection, and it does come with a 3-year warranty as well. I've got the battery on charge right now. I bought it with the kit with the 18V 3A battery. That battery slides right in the head here. And if you don't want to buy the battery kit with it as well, I've got one of my other 5A 18V batteries, and they all are compatible as well. They work fine. So I've got a battery in here. Let's run outside and let's give it a whirl. That's actually perfect balance by the handle. This is a beautifully constructed tool. It actually wasn't that loud. I don't reckon it was 97 decibels. The weight and the balance of this is perfect. It's battery powered. You get tons of power from it though. It's cutting through all the grass. I had some thick weeds in it. That's everything I tried it with, and it cut through perfectly. Obviously, something that's super crucial with a line trimmer is you want it to be balanced and weighted, so the bottom of it's flat. You want it to be flat, so it's got a nice even cut on your lawn. If you get a bit of off balance with it, it's going to cut on an angle and hit the grass at the root. So the balance of this thing is crucial, and I mentioned it a few times. It's beautiful. It balances really well. It cuts really well. I've done my entire lawn with a half-charged battery. It's not a worry at all. You don't have to worry about running out of charge halfway through. For me, this ticks all the boxes.